Infuse your ham with the rich sweetness of maple syrup and fresh orange zest with my Maple Orange Glazed Ham recipe. Prepare the glaze by combining brown sugar, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and the zest of an orange. Whisk until smooth and set aside. I'm using a smoked hickory ham, the butt portion of the ham here, and sometimes there's some extra rind. I like to just carve it off before placing the smooth side down in my 9x13 baking tray. Use a sharp knife to make 1/4 inch deep cuts in the fat of the ham, creating a diamond and crisscross pattern all over the ham. Brush the ham with half of the glaze, giving it an initial coating, and then cover the baking dish with foil. If you're using a roasting pan, place the lid on the pan. Transfer the ham into the oven. Mine took about 2 hours for the initial bake, and then remove the foil from the ham or the lid and brush on the rest of the glaze. Crank up the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 45 minutes of uncovered cooking, and halfway through, baste the ham with the juices from the pan. When ready, take the ham out of the oven and baste it one last time, and then squeeze the orange juice all over the ham to give it an extra boost of citrusy flavor. Let the ham rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're ready to enjoy. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.